All right, cerebrolysin, it's a combination of actually 4 peptides. It's great for any neurological disease, Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, and they've had a lot of research with ALS actually. And it's great for traumatic brain injury. So if you've had a concussion before, this is great for decreasing neuroinflammation in the brain. 4 different peptides. It's going to be brain-derived neurotrophic factor. There's going to be glial neurotrophic factor. And then there's 2 others, neurotrophic factors or nerve growth factors that are in these peptides to actually help synapses go back and forth. Easiest explanation is if you're taking NAD, it lights up the brain because it helps neural pathways connect going back and forth. It's also good for neuroplasticity, meaning the nerves actually regenerate over time. So amyloid plaques is going to be in Alzheimer's or dementia. They're actually doing a lot of research on, does it actually decrease amyloid plaques that causes the diagnosis of Alzheimer's or dementia? So this has been fascinating to use clinically. I've used it a lot with traumatic brain injury or neuroinflammation in general, if patients had concussions. If patients are having memory loss, if patients are having brain fog, this one's great. I haven't used it a lot clinically for Parkinson's, MS, ALS, but it has a lot of research going into it. I think this peptide's been used for quite some time. So I think since the 80s, cerebrolysin's been used, but a lot of fascinating research with different countries using it as well. China's using it, Russia's using it, the United States is using it, and they're having a lot of clinical benefits with cerebrolysin. So interesting one to check out if you want to try it. On the link below.